Hello, friends. Tiana Smith here with TianaSmithCoaching.com, creator of the Seven Figure Club and Freedom Planner Systems. That's right. Well, today I'm so excited to jump right in and share with you my number one way to increase sales in your business using do-it-yourself video marketing. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. I have actually created a Canva worksheet. Now, I'm going to be selling this worksheet as part of a brand new program I've put together, part of my Seven Figure Club coaching program. But all of you will get a little behind the scenes. I hope it helps you. I hope it serves you. And if you have any questions about it and want to talk later, please do. And before we get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe, and you'll see more videos like this. Let's get going. Let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to start by sharing my screen to share with you my number one tip to increase sales with do-it-yourself video marketing. Now, here's the deal, and I'm actually going to go to a separate one. This is the one that is a template for all my clients, but I made a little girlier one for you. Where is it at? I'm going to share it. What you want to do is go live on video every day, essentially. If you are truly serious about sales, you got to get in front of people. So I'm going to walk you through my very favorite way. I've taken some notes from a file that I keep on my phone. And essentially, what I really encourage you to do is to, yes, go live every single day on social media, at least shorts, at least 1 minute video tips of the day, right? Like just making sure you're getting that in. But, let me teach you how to do that and if you can really have inspiration daily. So what I like to do is create 3 pillars. So if you go over to my YouTube or things like that, you'll see you want to really, I'm going to share this tab and let's go to my channel. Hi, I'm Tiana with Tiana. Mindset marketing monetization, I do throw in their funnels, but the 3 categories that I really focus in on, no matter where I'm at, is mindset marketing monetization. Now, funnels are part of marketing, they're also part of monetization, but the 3 are my 3 M's. So, number one, if we come back to this Canva training over here, you need to figure out what are your 3 pillars. So, I would write that down immediately. What are your 3 pillars? And the pillars, you want to think about it like, this is what everything else would fall under. Okay. So then the other part are subcategories to each pillar. Okay. So for me, it would be branding, design, funnels, website, social media, email marketing, text marketing. That's all going underneath marketing. Okay. Then monetization, meaning making money. Okay. Well, what things under here are really directly tied to that cash flow? Funnels, sales calls, sales offers, sales PDFs, qualification quiz, sales pipelines. Okay, cool. 3, mindset, pillar mindset. Okay, well, what subcategories are under that? Okay, self-development training, books, podcasts. I can even put events here, right? YouTube, the therapy I get, coaching that I get, nature, flow, morning routines, vision boarding, scripting. We can write journals, we can write planner. I can also go right up here. My business planner also goes here, right? Free offers goes under there. So it becomes this living, breathing thing. So part of what I'm going to be doing with this Canva, if you end up wanting this worksheet, comment worksheet, and I can send you a link to get that. But I keep a lot of this in my notes, which it's not going to let me share my notes right here, but it's kind of like a living, breathing thing. This is like a file you'd want to really grow with. Okay. So I'm going to be walking people how to plan everything out in this brand new training I'm doing. But I really wanted to come in here to show you have so much knowledge already inside of you. And if you take some pre-work time to really hone in on what are the 3 things that you talk about that people would follow you for, and then what are the subcategories. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing for a minute and talk about then how do you take that information? Okay, so if we've got mindset marketing monetization for me, Well, when it comes to daily videos, then I could look over there and I could be like, okay, well, if I talk about one of those subjects on my Instagram, on my YouTube, then that's matching my header. That's matching my vision on my website, tianasmithcoaching.com. I talk about these things all the time. So why does that matter? Well, because like if it's not clear what you're talking about, then people following you won't know what you're selling. So I sell business to business. I sell funnels. I sell courses that talk about these things, right? So you need to figure out once again, what are you selling? And then these subcategories and categories are going to help you with that video marketing. So the inspiration is always there. You can open up this file, look at it and be like, okay, maybe you don't feel inspired today. Okay, but what do you know about? And then you can pop open your phone and do a really quick video. So for example, if I had this open, let's share the screen again really quick. Let's like make this happen, okay? So if we go to this one right here and we go to this screen, so you're going to fill in your pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3, okay? You're going to start to go into the subcategories. Okay, so what does that look like? I'm actually going to give you another little tidbit down here. Inspiration. What you're going to do as part of like the training that I teach is 3 or more accounts that you will check daily for inspiration and ways to post. So let's say that you've got your titles, okay? Well, then how do you actually know how to post? Okay, this is really cool. You want to know who those competitors are, or I like to call them inspiration. So one of mine, I'm just going to go behind the scenes on this just to dive in is I love Kat Colroy. Okay. So if I go to Kat Colroy, she's so fantastic. If you don't follow her, I love her branding. I mean, look at how clean it looks. Okay, so I could come over here and find something like this. Like, I love the look of this. So I can actually screenshot this. This is the post, but I could do this for video as well. And I could be like, oh, I love that she's talking about Instagram friendships. How could I make this my own? Well, that's under mindset, right? So that's still under one of my categories. Okay. So, oh, side note, little side tip, you can also grab other people's hashtags, save them to the notes on your phone. Okay. So I could go outside, like literally right now, there are sunflowers and I could go over there. I'm going to do it later today just to like prove doing this. And I could go over there, hold up my phone, and I could say, hey friends, Tiana here. And today I just wanted to do a shout out to all my friends on here. I love you so much. You are like a sunflower, a sunshine in my life. I'm so grateful for you. You make making these videos fun, and I just love being in your life. And that's it. And I could upload it. I could write that text. And so immediately, one, that's under my mindset category. I went and looked at some inspiration. Maybe I felt dried up and I could go to Kat Colroy. Okay. Cool. So I'll give you one other idea. Okay. So another lady that I love to grab inspiration from, and let's go over here to Instagram again, is her first 100K. She's so spicy though. She's like way more feisty and spicy for sure. Um, but I like her stuff from a business standpoint, man. She is not afraid to talk about making money, things like that. I really liked this video. I actually did copy it. So actually I'll show this to you. So she just put like this cool text on here. She's like drinking. And I was like, that's fun. Like even today, this makes me want to go to brunch and take a photo like this. So one thing I love to do is to go out and do fun marketing things. And then I'm also enjoying living life, which raises your vibe. Okay. So then if you come into mine, I did one similar. I didn't totally nail it. I didn't go have a drink, but you can see I just kind of sat out here. I was doing my morning routine and then I put a call to action on there. Okay, does this all make sense? So you can grab people's inspiration from people. So I would list Kat Colroy, her first 100K, and then I would say someone like Amy Porterfield. Okay, so Amy Porterfield clients are some of my best buyers because Amy Porterfield teaches how to build courses, but she doesn't offer any one-to-one help. Well, I offer one-to-one help on building courses, on building funnels. So sometimes people are like, I'm done with the courses. I need somebody just to do it for me. And then they hire me. And I'm like, let's do it. But what's really fun is if you are making content, this is where it's really important that you also know part of your video marketing is your competitors or your inspiration. So Here's how we take action. Number one is you want to get those 3 categories. Take some time to do that. Set a timer, friends, and get those 3 main categories and really hone in on what it is you're talking about in social media marketing and specifically video marketing. Number 2 part of this homework assignment, your action steps, is to then list out, go through all the subcategories. If you set a 10-minute timer twice, you could get all that done. Okay. So you could first brainstorm one of your main categories, just start to write things down. And then you're going to find, okay, these are my pillars. Okay. And then the step 2 is the subcategories. Step 3 is to find your 3 inspirational accounts that your ICA, your ideal clients, follow those people, and those people would potentially be your buyers. So when your inspiration gets dried up, you can go check out their account, say, I'm going to copy this post today. Again, we're not copying their images, we're not copying their copy, we're copying the inspiration behind the post, something fun, something cool, something you didn't think of, and now you're going to try it. The video, the sunflowers. Okay. So I'd love to know in the comments what action you're going to go take. Again, if you aren't subscribed to me and liking and following, please do that. And I'd love to get your feedback. If you're interested in any of my new programs, you can always comment VIP. I check every single comment and I will reach out to you if you do that. And you can also go to tianasmithcoaching.com, click on the contact page and reach out anytime. Have a great day. I'm excited to see what you do with this. And that's my number one tip to increase sales in your business through video marketing is by being more direct, being strategic, having your pillars, having cool, inspirational people who are further along than you, or you just think are super cool, and you can go rock it. Be that cool superstar. It's your one life. It's your business. Go rock it today.